Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix easy anti-cheat error 30007 in Fortnite. Type CMD in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Type BCD edit space. -set space. Test signing space. Off. Type BCD edit space. -set space. No integrity checks space. Off. Type exit from command window. Restart system. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.